Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of Kingston. We are on Mandela Highway heading towards Highway 2000 or the PJ Patterson Highway. So from Mandela, this is where you access both major highways in Jamaica, the Highway 2000 East-West leg, which is also known as the PJ Patterson Highway, that takes you on the south coast of Jamaica. So that takes you to like Spanish Town, Old Harbour, Maypen, and Mandeville. And then you can also access the Highway 2000 north-south leg, which takes you on the north coast of Jamaica. The thing with these highways is that if you don't have cash to pay them, you can't use them. It's especially the north-south highway. They don't have any facility for credit card payments. Okay, so I'm just double checking to make sure I have the cash. There are so many incidents of persons that use the Edward Siaga Highway or the north-south leg or Highway 2000, and when they reach a toll plaza, they don't have any cash and they don't allow them to go through. There's no facility to use a credit card. There's no facility, there's no ATM, nothing. So the persons have to end up calling somebody to bring the cash for them. And it happens so many times, where I think the most popular incident is the one with a member of parliament. And when the person reached there, they wanted to use their card, they couldn't. And they had to call somebody to bring cash to them. And with all these new payment methods, online currency, digital currency, online wallet, I would hope that the highway company would get some means where persons can use a card to pay. Now this one that we're on, the PJ Patterson Highway, this one you can use a card, but you have to go into the office. So it has to be one of those plazas or toll booths that have an office, and the office has to be open, and then you can use a card inside. But you can't use a card at the toll plaza. However, both these highways, and these are the only toll roads, Highway 2000 is the only toll road in Jamaica, they have what you call a tag system, where you can prepay the toll, and they put it on your card or your account, and every time you drive through, you can go into the tag lane, and it's done seamlessly. It just deducts it off your account, and that's it. However, when you go through, let's say you put on $10,000 and you drive through the toll, it doesn't give you a balance. It only says toll paid or the amount deducted. It doesn't give you a balance. So many times persons don't remember what balance is on their account, and they drive up to the toll only to see denied or no. And then they have to reverse and go into the other lane and top up. You can top up at the toll booth with cash at all the Highway 2000 toll plazas. But if you're going to use a card, you can only use it on this leg of the highway. You cannot use it on the north-south leg to top up. And that's because it's two different companies that operate these highways. Although it's all under the name Highway 2000, this leg of the highway was built by a French company, and they were given a concession to collect toll. And the company that was set up was Trans Jamaica Highway. So Trans Jamaica Highway allows you to use a card at certain toll plazas, but you have to go inside the office. You can't do it at the toll plaza. Now, the north-south leg of the highway was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, a Chinese company, and that company was given a concession to collect toll for 50 years, and the company's setup was Trans Jamaica Highway. So that's why it's different on both roads. The system is different because it's two different companies, two different setups, two different ways of doing it. Alright, so this is Highway 2000 east-west leg, and this runs on the south coast of Jamaica. It runs through the inland, but more to the south coast, going through towns like Old Harbour, Spanish Town, Maypen, Mandeville. That's where you find the exits, the major towns. And this highway will eventually run all the way to Montego Bay, going through St. Elizabeth. Not sure if it's going to go through Westmoreland, but it goes all the way to, it will eventually go all the way to Montego Bay.